Hi all, welcome to our YouTube channel. This is Damfro from Danish Capital. So this is the second part video for the technical analysis. So which you can see in our previous videos where we have explained basically how to do a technical analysis on a chart and start drawing your support, resistance, all those stuff. So this is the second part to that. So in this one we are going to see how to apply all together and take a view based on some charts, like 3-4 charts we are going to see. So I'm going to show it in the system. So we are going to see how to apply those technical analysis and take a view based upon that. So this will be much useful if you want to practice also. So please keep concentrating on what we are going to show now. So we are going to see in live market. So we are going to see some 3-4 charts in charting tool and see how we are going to generate all the lines or whatever we learned in the previous video. So I have just now taken TVS motor chart. So as per this one, so what you can do, you need to draw support and horizontal line. So as per the method, I am just going to see the chart in the closing line with dots. So in this one, I am just going to start building my horizontal and vertical zones. So here, too many closes are there, right? So I am going to build resistance or support like this. So this should consist of all the more turning points. So like if you here see, you are getting more turning points here. So support means where I already drawn this. So you need 2 points, no. So if you want to take care, so as I said, you should not ignore last 3-4 days data. So in that case, last three closes I am not taking it as turning. So on the upside, if you want to take C, so nearby price, I am drawing resistance. So connecting this point. So I am not considering this point as 1 point because this is last 3 days, but I am considering these points. Basically, I am considering these points as my return points. So that is near matching. So you can say this is one resistance. So please note, I am not considering this point as one turning point. I am considering this and this point and these 2 points. So I am trying to put zones according to this. So now this is done. I will go to price and I am going to see in my candlestick charts. So as per this one, so this is a resistance. So once this resistance is broken, so it can fly like anything. So that inference you can take. In the same way, I am going to start putting lines. So I am going to draw in a way. Now you need to see whether you are following the same or you are getting the same. As per, just follow. So I am connecting only I and I, right? So same way you can connect these two also, as long as this is. So if you want to find resistance, what I would say, better instead of this one you can use this as better resistance. So as a resistance you need to take always the highest one, as the support you need to take always the lowest. So that is the one thumb rule you need to follow. So now if this is the one, then I will not ignore. So I will delete this and I will keep only this. So what does it means? If this resistance is cleared, then it can go here, right? So again, based on the trend only you can decide. So as per zigzag or as per the IRI, you know, from here to here, then here to here. So in this one I am going to show you how to use zigzag also. So this will simplify your process, but you need to see with your own eyes like how the trend is going. So means here the trend is up, right? So that is what it is making. So possibility of breakout is more in this case, right? So it can, once it breaks down, then it can go anywhere. So you can use this trend line for projecting the target also. This is how you need to start analyzing. So earlier we seen only a blank chart, something like this, right? Or something like this, something like this. So we have different systems. Like I am going to tell you like how to apply zigzag. So you can have the view on TVS motor now. So earlier it was a blank chart, so you don't get, but now you see, earlier you were thinking like it was at resistance, but that's what it is, a resistance. But once it breaks, then you need to look for higher targets. So as per trend, you should be looking mainly on higher high. So it is making an higher high, this low is not breaken, again this low. again this low is not broken, so it has retested here and it is making. So what you need to see is, so if this swing low is broken, then your trend changes, then you can look for sell. Target can be here or it can be still further down to these swings. So that's how you need to take your call. But I will say, if you are seeing a trending stock, like this is an uptrending stock right now, so as per from April 7 it is uptrending, right? So this way you should see either at support you need to buy. So in case if you are selling, try to sell at resistance only. So though this is a low probability, but sell at resistance. So if you are getting an entry something like this, then here you can sell if you have one more reason. So if one more support is or resistance, if it is comes like that, I don't know whether it is coming like that. If something comes like this, then here, though it is a trending stock, you can have a contra view, but only thing is after this it will fly like anything. You need to keep in mind. So this is how you analyze stocks. So you got how to get your views regarding whatever we teach, right? So I have not used anything. I used only the support and resistance based on closing basis and then the trend lines. So you got it, right? So I have kept one indicator. So this you can use it for whatever purpose you want. So I generally use it for negative divergence, positive divergence. In this case, something like this is happening. So here the price is here, the RSI is here. So here the price is trying to reach here, but it is making not a new high. So in this case I can treat this as negative divergence, but purely negative divergence should not be a decision for trade. At the resistance if it is forming negative divergence, at the support if it is passing positive divergence, means something like this. So here you can see the low is making a RSI low here, but here also low is nearby, but here low is not breaking. So that point is the nearest point for the swing and this is the best place, and the divergence also, this is positive divergence, you can call it as positive divergence. So this is how you need to club your method. So sheer positive divergence or sheer support will not help you. So in this case this is the best place to enter because this is swing also, this is the point. So below this your swing gets valid. So this is the best entry than anywhere, even the breakout on this one. Yeah, if you would have taken breakout, then your stop should be in this point, right? So better if you get an entry like this, you can take here. So that's how you need to analyze and start taking position. So one more chart we are going to see. I think we can see Cipla. So Cipla daily is there. So I think here I'm not getting. I need to get data. So I'm using feeds here. So where is this Cipla? So Cipla I will just backfill. Maybe it will come. Slowly it will come. So this data is slowly coming. It will come. So same way we can do Sun Pharma also. So I'm going to discuss 2-3 stocks. So Sun Pharma also same like Cipla. So what you need to see is, this is the chart. So you start drawing horizontal line. So now here onwards I will not go to closing basis to draw my line. So wherever maximum turnings are occurred. So if you see, this is the last close and from this last close it will turn like this. So you can consider this as one support. I am not considering this because last 3 days I am ignoring. I am considering only this point and this point. So if you change it here, you will come to know directly. So line with dots, if you change, you can see this. So by more and more practice, you no need to go here. So like this you can use. So this is my support. Again, so resistance means, yes, resistance is here only. Most of the closings are here. So I can see here. So any closing basis you can consider. Maybe you will get here, or you can include I also if you want to be little safer. So this is the zone you can keep. You just see. So in this one you can start applying even divergence. If you are looking at like divergence here, so last time it made a low here. So support wise it is there, but same way this place divergence is also there. Means horizontal line if you put, divergence will be there. So at support I am forming divergence, or you can call whatever it is. If the low is already broken, then low is broken here, this low is not broken. This is hidden positive divergence. So I am finding hidden positive divergence at the support zone. So it is better trade. So better means low risk, high probability trade. So like that you can start getting your view. So you can start drawing like this. So price is getting disturbed. So that reason I need to connect this. Not because I'm considering low, because if I connect here, the price getting disturbed. So as per my rule, price should not get disturbed. So then what is the latest swing low? Only here I can connect. So same way you can start draw. So you can use weekly also if you want. So this is also a weekly line, and if you want to go still further, means you can use as per this one. This is 75 minutes chart. So generally for stocks I use 75 minutes chart as a lower time frame, and for index I can use 15 minutes. So if you just go and draw the result and just see, then you can deploy whatever method you want. See here, this places 2 times it is touching, so you can apply divergence also. Price is making higher high, so if you keep stop loss here it will hit, but that zone if you use, that is why it has fallen. So negative divergence, it fallen like anything. So you can initiate these kind of trades, but I am not trading in future. I will trade only in option strategy. So for me, I will take better, means less risk, but even my view fails, even if it goes like this, I will still make money or make less loss. So I will draw like this. So if you want to check one more chart, so how to go to? So TVS Motor. So but first go to daily only. So already we have seen TVS Motor, right? So what is next? We can go for Voltas. Okay, Voltas. So this is a daily. So you start drawing lines. So as per this one, I am getting. So here this is the place where I can connect most of the closes. Where it is turning, here it has turned, here it has turned, here also it has turned. So if you are not still getting, go here, view, price and line with dots. So you can see, you can connect more turning points, right? So with experience, you will no need to switch to closing basis chart. From this one itself you will get. So again, if I want to see, so this is my resistance. Last time this was my resistance, now it has got broken. So this is a breakout. In daily it is a breakout. So you can treat it as horizontal breakout or whatever you want. So I am changing here my view, changing it here to candlestick. So once you are with this one, you can easily get whatever you want. So this is the support if you want to draw the line. Same way, if I consider this one, this was my earlier resistance, now price got rejected. So this is a breakout till here, means till here. So till the price was here, it was valid trend line. Once this breaks out the trend, then it's a not valid trend line, means that trend has gone now. So that reason is a breakout, right? So you need to see how it can be used. So on the upside, if you want to draw trend line, then you need to connect these 3 lines. So swing high, this swing high. So this is my, in case of if I'm breaking out, this is a part of my target. So again, if I want to connect all the lows, it may come for a support zone. If I want to connect, then this is the place where I can connect based on all the closings, right? So this will consider most of the closings as a turning points. So I can little bit lower, considering even these turning points in my daily basis. So if this is the case, then I can project my target here, or in case though this trend is up, right, you are getting a trend. So it started from here, so it broken out, then it does not make any new low, so it is trying to make going above this high. So what you can use, this is a swing low, or if it falls down to here, if this is the best place to take a long. And if you want to take a contra trade, then instead of here, this will be the best place. Even though it is trending, it is the best place, whereas this trend line is meeting. So if you want to, if somebody wants to connect like this, so if this is a swing high, you can connect like this also, no problem. But as per rule, you should see. So this is a channel, you can treat this as one more channel. So you can delete this if you want to delete. So this is a kind of channel you can treat, and at the channel, if you are finding old resistance, then price tends to stop there. If you want to take a bearish strategy, you can start taking here instead of taking it here. So here it is the best place to buy, here and all, where and all these lines are. Though this is a valid trend, not a valid trend line, but it's a retest line if you can see. So if it touches here, then this will be the best place to accumulate for the long. So this is how you make a study. So now you can go to lower time frame and you can start using this, right? So you're getting it right. How to draw and how to consider. So this is how you need to analyze your charts. And like one more thing I want to tell you guys is, if you want to draw charts like this and or you want to receive charts like this, then you can go to our Telegram channel also. So the channel is, this is the channel. So where this is updated by one of my student. So where he is updating all the stuffs. So you can get all these things. Even we will be talking more about this demand supply. So this support and resistance only, but we are having on AFL for this. That will be covered in the next video. But you can see. So what is a Nifty views he has given. So from here it will turn. So he has used only those things only. Maybe here and there you would have used some indicators, but you need to see only what you need to learn. So you can go to, this is the link. You can search, or it's already there. I will post it in the video comment. So you will get all charts. So no promotion, nothing will be there. You can just start seeing only charts what you want to see. So this is, so see it. He has done right. Properly he has done. So again he has given all the things. So if you can't create chart like this, then you can follow that. And if you want to create chart also, you can create chart similarly by seeing these things. So it will be much more useful to you. So you can follow this guy like he is in Twitter. So he is my student. You can follow his Twitter ID, or this is updated by him only. But as a token of gratitude for us, he is updating all his charts in our group. So this is Voltas again. See, he has clearly mentioned, right? So by just looking at plain chart, you may not get the view, but if you get chart like this, now you can trade in whatever you want. Even if you want to trade in futures, or you want to initiate some strategies if you know already. So you can start doing this. So all this kind of stuff you can get it from this channel. So this channel link I will post in the video description also. I think this is okay, right? So you can practice, and we will be discussing like this more stuffs based on either options or further basics of options and advanced things in options. So but practically which is tradable and which is used for real-time trading, we can see. So thank you guys, and wish you all once again happy trading, happy learning, and do support us. Thank you.